Hi guys, it's Monday and it's another day, another vlog. So obviously another week of bakbakan na naman to guys. So as what you have noticed guys, andito na ako sa workplace ko, and for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales, and aside from that guys, we'll also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales, and that would be my agenda for today guys. So anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo, mag-work lang din muna ako. So, anyway guys, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today kasi after work, diretso lang tayo sa bahay. So, this would be considered as a work vlog. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!